You know this pirate mix. I get gemstones here and one in this mix. Gemstones here and one more this. Look at this gemstone fighting and one this low quality tiger stains skin in this here my riverside and that's how much is this sun. Look at this and you're this one. Wow. You just so look at this piece of beautiful stones as a gemstone. My riverside is and this whole wow right is here available here this all stones in this one is another stone finding this resides and this one on another stone finding in my riverside. Oh this look at these gems. And this is one gems. Few gemstones here now. These rivers and this caught base, all caught base here. This wow, a moonstone finding. Wow, this yellow makes moonstones, and then look at this. Look at this. Wow, it is so beautiful. Nice crystal gems and suns, and it takes this some and now how beautiful a stone here in this one more crystal and one more this look this sorry this is moonstones yellow makes moonstones yes now just all quality stone. Wow, ho, you look this guys. This is raw quality, nice. You like this? Look this nice quality soapstone and this opal raw opal stones means find on my riverside. Oh, awesome! And more big gems. Available more gems this riversides always huge fine.